Let's talk about toilets. If you've got hard water stains or that stubborn ring in your toilet that regular cleaner just won't touch, I need to show you the tool that I've been using for the past 2 years. This is the boy bathroom. Yep, you guessed it. Always a ring in the toilet. But 2 years ago, I found these. Living with hard water and living with boys means living with rust stains, mineral buildup, and limescale that laughs in the face of regular toilet bowl cleaners and bleed. This is the Pumice cleaning stone. It comes with an extra long handle so you're not getting anywhere near that toilet bowl. It's 100% natural pumice, so no chemicals are needed, and it actually molds itself to the curves, crevices, and corners of your toilet. I'm going to use the one that I've been using for several months. Keep it in this very official looking bag. You can see that it's barely been worn down on the side, so we have a lot more use of this. But I'm going to show you how it works. You just wet it first, and that part matters. Make sure you do it because dry pumice can scratch your toilet. Then you gently scrub in circles right over the stain. Watch how that ring just lifts away. No fumes, no gloves needed, and totally safe around kids and pets. For me, it's the fact that I'm not breathing in all those harsh chemicals while I clean and just try to get rid of this water ring. When I'm done, I wrap it back up in its super official bag and put it down under the sink for next time. They're not just for toilets either. I've used it on my shower, and I keep one in the kitchen for hard water stains in the kitchen sink. I just like to be extra careful that the toilet ones stay the toilet ones, and the other ones can be used for other things. Grab the 2-pack. You'll wonder why you didn't get one of these before.